Hey guys, in this video I will let you know how you can change LLC address in South Dakota. So the best way to change your LLC address or any kind of issues related to your LLC, I will recommend you to go to the fiverr.com. I have given the link in the description. You can join Fiverr by clicking onto that link and then open your account in that website, and then in the search bar write LLC address. When you will write this query, you will be able to see different experts and freelancers on this website who will resolve all your issues related to LLC. For example, if you see this gig, which is offering in just $20, these are the USA LLC services. Either it is about the name change, address update, or ownership changes. That is just a one gig. You can see and scroll a lot of here. So if we see, we can also see there are the correct numbers. So there are 500 experts. You can consult them, you can hire them to do your LLC related issues. So I have given the link in the description. Click into that link, join the Fiverr and hire different experts to resolve your LLC problems. And there is a pro tip for you. So while hiring, I will recommend you to choose different filters like delivery time, budget, seller level, services options, or categories that will refine your search and will give you a very relevant expert for your queries. I have also given different other relevant links in the description which can help you for your LLC related issues.